Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw funds from eToro to your bank account, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from eToro to your bank account, begin by logging into your eToro account. Once logged in, navigate to the Portfolio section on the platform. In the Portfolio section, locate the Withdraw Funds option. Click on Withdraw Funds to initiate the withdrawal process. You will be directed to a new page where you'll enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Make sure to enter the amount in the designated field. Confirm that the amount is within your available balance. Next, review the withdrawal method options available for your account. Select bank transfer as your preferred method. If this is your first withdrawal, you may need to verify your identity. Prepare the necessary documents for identity verification, such as a government-issued ID and proof of address. Once the documents are ready, upload them as prompted by the platform. After uploading the documents, return to the withdrawal page. Choose the bank account you want the funds to be transferred to. If you haven't previously linked your bank account, you will need to enter your bank details. Double-check all information for accuracy to avoid any delays. Once you are satisfied with the details, confirm the withdrawal request. Keep an eye out for a confirmation message indicating that your request has been submitted. Withdrawals usually take a few days to process, so be patient. You will receive an email notification once your funds have been transferred. Check your bank account after the processing period to confirm the funds have arrived. If you encounter any issues, reach out to eToro's customer support for assistance. Following these steps will ensure a smooth withdrawal process from eToro to your bank account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.